Hi, Andrew Bindon here, Lodge Real Estate, and welcome to 271 Tramway Road here in Chartwell. Now this property has 4 double bedrooms, the master with an ensuite and a walk-in wardrobe. The property is insulated, ceiling, walls and the floor also being completely double glazed. At the rear of the property is a double garage, it is fenced and it also sits on its own freehold title. So if this property is ticking your boxes, let's go and take a look around. So thank you for viewing 271 Tramway Road in Chartwell. I'm taking this property to auction on the 29th of September, if not sold prior. So for more information or to view, please click, call or email me today.